ConnectedThinks Vision AI. The next step in industrial vision AI automation. Industrial automation gets more and more complex with cost, quality, and safety concerns. ConnectedThinks Vision AI Industrial Automation Suite helps you connect cameras and understand the cues in the visual scene to aid your automation. Just like human eyes, it enables you to centrally manage multiple camera sources and monitor the generated AI events. You can mark specific regions of interest in your scene and configure objects to generate desired event signals. Further, it implements privacy and security controls through masking and image transformations. Centrally manage the AI processors. Run them in the same machine or on a distributed set of connected GPUs. It offers a simple-to-use image labeling lab interface, so you can label the custom objects to detect. And once you have a set of images labeled, you can proceed to schedule a task to train a new ML model with the right set of parameters. So, what are you waiting for? Reach out to us today and let us discuss your requirements. ConnectedThinks Vision AI Automation.